Okay, hello everyone, and let's get started. So, as it was promised before, so from now on we start talking about AWS, Amazon Web Services, leading public cloud provider. And today we'll have a short overview about what actually AWS is, what it can offer to its potential customers, and how to create an AWS account. Yeah. So the good thing about AWS is that it offers actually so-called free tier, meaning that you can get some free resources from AWS for 1 year, so you can evaluate whether it suits your needs or not. So if you want to continue, and so on. So the description is available under aws.amazon.com/free. And as you can see, there are three types of free resources available. Some resources are always free. So if you don't exceed the threshold for a particular service, you will not be billed for that or charged for that. Also, there are some resources which are free for 12 months, so you can evaluate them, and then you should start paying for that, if you are satisfied. And also, there are some thresholds defined for each month. So even if this service is free for 12 months, it has some threshold. If you exceed it, you will be charged as well. Yeah? And the third category is trials, meaning some short-term free trial, usually for 1 month. And also there are some thresholds. If you exceed them, you should be charged for that. Yeah. So right now, as we are registering a new account, we are more interested in 12-month freeze. And the first good thing is Amazon EC2. So that's some kind of virtual machine. So once you register a new account, you are granted 750 hours per month for free for Linux virtual machine. Yeah, so 750 hours, that's the entire month. Yeah, so you can run this machine not stopping it for 1 hour, for 1 month. Yeah, so as we said, then we discussed some benefits of cloud. We say that we pay only for what we use. Yeah, so for example, if you use only half of them, so you stop, for example, your virtual machine during the nights, then you don't use it. So you can save some hours, and instead of launching one virtual machine, you can launch two, for example. Or if you use this virtual machine for 8 hours a day, you can launch 3 virtual machines accordingly per month for free. Yeah, so that's very cool. 5 GB of storage. 750 hours of RDS managed database, and so on. So actually, if you are interested, you can read it through. So as you can see, quite many services which are offered for free. So for 12 months, so some of them are always free. Yeah. So once you are through, you can create a new account by using this button, create free account under AWS Amazon .com/free. There you will be asked some basic data about yourself. So you need an email, you need to enter your postal details, and after you create an account, you should also submit your credit or debit card info. Yeah, so don't worry. So if you use all services under this free tier, you will not be charged, right? But still, there are some thresholds defined as we saw. So for example, for a virtual machine, it's 750 hours per month. So if you exceed that limit, you will be charged. Yeah, so just in case you exceed something, you need to provide your credit or debit card info. So once you are done, you should be able to access your AWS by using this address, aws.amazon.com. Yeah? Okay, so that's just a short overview. So please uh, just go through that free tier so you know what is included, so what you can use for free. Create an AWS account, and once it is done, in the next video, we'll start explore the features of AWS, and namely starting from the basics, from infrastructure related to your AWS private segment. Yeah, so we'll start talking about VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. Okay, but that would be all for today. So hopefully this video was some kind of helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done that yet. Also, don't forget to visit my website, dataguru.guide, where there are some interesting posts related to big data, Java, and also cloud technologies. But for me, that's all for today. Next video will be available quite soon on Saturday, and where we will continue talking about Java. But for today, that's all. Thanks to all for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.